Let's dive further into Netflix's ad picture now and how Gen AI could help transform it with MNTN CEO Mark Douglas. Mark, my question is, when do they hire Stephen Colbert for the late night, the new Netflix late night show? I mean, obviously, this is where this is all going, don't you think?
Yeah, well, what, the AI version of Stephen Colbert or the actual Stephen Colbert?
Maybe a new one.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, they have taken their content and they've made it very, very broad, and I think it's been a smart strategy. And the reason it's so important, the real metric, you were just mentioning engagement. The engagement that I kind of focus on is Netflix the #1 place you go to when you turn on your TV? As long as Netflix maintains that spot, they are right now, by all surveys, like you turn on your TV, what's on Netflix? As long as they maintain their slot, they are the market leader. They can turn anything into a hit, and I think the stock, the company keeps growing and the stock goes up. If there was any hint they were going to lose that spot, meaning like let's say people went to Disney Plus first, then I would be concerned. So I'm long indefinitely on Netflix as long as that's the first place I go when I turn on my television.
Right, or often I like you always kind of have something different will jump out to you than kind of everyone else is talking about. I don't know if there's any example of that from the earnings last night or from the way that you look at the headlines in the streaming space and think about how this is all developing.
Well, I think also, you know, them mentioning AI is important. AI is here. Like with Mountain, we have some tools in beta, and we've had 1,000 ads created with those tools in the past month. And so AI is here. So AI is here, and it's going to lower the cost of content. And what maintains that #1 spot is more content, and that's going to help Netflix. I think it's actually going to help a lot of networks. You know, Peacock, Disney, Warner Brothers. I think they're all going to benefit from ways of lowering the cost of content and giving the consumers more of what they want.
You know, everyone made a big deal about that. I can't remember who had made the advertisement, Mark, a couple of months back, and it was an AI-generated ad. I think it was during the NBA Finals that looked pretty good, but I hadn't really heard much since. And you're saying your firm's already tested 1,000 AI-developed ads, and these are basically ready for prime time?
Yeah, I mean, we went from the AI video technology was literally unusable in January to now there are thousands of ads being created and used, and we're only in July. And you're seeing the same thing happen in terms of production. I honestly think it's creating more jobs because a lot of those ads are not marketers sitting at home doing it themselves. They're video producers just doing it faster using AI tools, and that's what happened with Netflix on the show they mentioned.